It's like the first thing that you have to do is you have to decide, what do I feel comfortable spending in the form of a monthly mortgage payment? A mortgage lender might pre-qualify you for X, but that doesn't mean that you feel comfortable spending that amount of money, because remember this, veterans, at the end of the day, there's only one person that's making that mortgage payment, and that is you. Hey, what's up guys? Jimmy V here, mortgage originator specializing in VA loans. Hey, I wanted to talk to all of my 100% P&T or service connected veterans out there. Good to go? Well, if you're a 100% permanent and total service connected veteran, or really you just have questions about the VA home loan benefit and how it impacts you, I want you to know that I'm always here to be a resource. If you found that this information was of value, do me a favor, consider showing your love, clicking like on the video, and comment down below with your questions, so that way you and I together can educate more veterans and active duty military. The first thing that I want you as a service connected veteran to know is that when you have a VA disability rating of as little as, I'm going to write this down here, of as little as 10%, your VA funding fee is waived. So why is this important for you to understand? There's a cost imposed on the mortgage by the Department of Veterans Affairs in order for you and I to utilize our VA home loan benefit. But what happens is if you have a VA disability rating, once again, of as little as 10% on a VA loan, the VA will waive that funding fee for, you ready for this? Life. It's literally going to save you tens of thousands of dollars in unnecessary fees and expenses throughout the duration of your VA loan. Good to go? So as your 10% VAD rating continues to increase, and in some cases go up to 100% P&T, generally speaking, we'll say that the VA disability for 100% P&T is somewhere in the neighborhood of, I don't know, $4,200. What does a veteran need to know or understand if they are receiving 100% P&T before they purchase a home? It's like the first thing that you have to do is you have to decide, what do I feel comfortable spending in the form of a monthly mortgage payment? So you want to make sure that the payment fits. It fits by way of monthly payment, cash to close. And what we want to do is we want to reverse engineer that payment over to a purchase price. If you feel comfortable spending somewhere around the neighborhood of $2,000 a month, it would probably translate, based off of today's interest rates and payments, somewhere in the neighborhood of, we'll say, $300,000. So does that $300,000 align for purchase prices in the neighborhood or arena that you're looking into? Now remember this too, veterans, that when you're taking that gross, or I should say that net income off of your VA disability, the mortgage lender is still going to deduct out things like, well, your monthly liabilities, for example, credit cards, auto loans, car payments. So from there, they're going to do a calculation. We want to make sure that the net number that you're left over with is higher than what the VA mandates. Simply this, Jimmy, I want to buy a home. Can I have my property taxes waived? And here's what you need to know. You have to ensure that the municipality that you're working in or purchasing in is waiving real estate taxes for 100% P&T veterans. In some counties across the nation, that might not be the case. However, if we can document it in advance and upfront, we may be able to circumvent having to collect for taxes, which translates to more savings for you in the form of monthly payment moving forward. My name is Jimmy Vercellino, and I'll see you soon.